Welcome to this executive overview on the practical uses of NotebookLM for senior professionals. NotebookLM offers a personalized AI grounded in the information you trust. Our agenda covers what NotebookLM is, why senior professionals find it valuable, and 20 practical real-world use cases. For executive briefing, NotebookLM can summarize long reports, transforming hundreds of pages into concise, executive-ready insights, highlighting key risks and findings. It provides strong decision support by comparing multiple documents to clearly highlight options, trade-offs, and implications. In meeting preparation, you can upload agendas and past notes to instantly generate focused talking points and key questions. Post-meeting summaries are streamlined by extracting decisions, action items, owners, and deadlines from raw notes. For policy interpretation, NotebookLM simplifies complex regulatory and policy documents, clarifying what actually applies to your situation. During strategic planning, it helps identify recurring themes, critical gaps, and misalignments across various strategy documents. When preparing board presentations, NotebookLM assists in creating structured content outlines, ensuring a logical slide flow and clear narrative. Risk identification is enhanced by analyzing plans and proposals to highlight operational, financial, and strategic risks early on. For due diligence, especially in M&A vendors or partnerships, NotebookLM quickly flags inconsistencies and missing information in large document sets. It supports drafting leadership memos by generating fact-anchored emails and notes based strictly on uploaded source documents. NotebookLM can function as a personal knowledge base, creating a searchable system where you can instantly query past documents for information. For training review, senior professionals use it to validate the accuracy, relevance, and simplicity of training materials. Market intelligence is simplified by analyzing multiple research reports to effectively track trends and competitor strategies. During contract review, NotebookLM explains complex clauses and highlights potential risks and obligations within the documents. It promotes cross-functional alignment by identifying overlaps and conflicts in initiatives and objectives between different teams. For communication consistency, NotebookLM helps ensure that leadership speeches and public statements align with official strategy and policy documents. Rapid learning is enabled by quickly understanding new or unfamiliar domains through explanations grounded in trusted source material. In project tracking, it helps detect delays and deviations by analyzing project status reports against original plans. Scenario analysis allows leaders to test critical assumptions and understand the potential outcomes when those assumptions change or fail. Finally, for public and media preparation, NotebookLM prepares consistent, defensible talking points for investor or press interactions.